To make a portfolio in Schoology, you need to go into your personal icon at the top right of the form. Then you choose your profile. It gives you and sends you to your basic information, and you need to go down to where it says Portfolios. Inside of your big portfolio, you can start a brand new portfolio. You can see here I have some of my work and some work that I started for Drawing and Painting 2. So you'll click on this and create your new class portfolio. Giving your classroom title, you want to call it, Visual Art Studio, so that's our class. And you can type semester work, because that's what we're going to be posting in here. Then we have the capability of adding different kinds of portfolio information. You could upload a link, you could upload an assignment directly from Schoology. You could upload a file if it's stored somewhere on your iPad. So you could upload a whole new page of some kind. So we have the opportunity to upload different things. So I'm going to start, mine's not a submission, so I'm going to upload mine as a file. It could kind of be like as you're uploading it from like your iPad location. So I'm going to get mine, and I'm going to upload my first visual project. Here we go. And this is my Zentangle picture. All right, so if I click on my Zentangle entry here, you can see it's a nice big picture of my Zentangle design, all finished with shading and all. And it just took and brought in whatever the mumbo jumbo title was from the actual file's name. So if it's coming in from your photos, it's not really going to have a name. So you'll kind of need to give it a title. So we can call it, the title of the actual project that we were working on. So this one is the Zentangles project. And then in the description, this is where I'm going to have you put some byline information. And by byline, I mean we're going to type the title that you gave it. That's what I call mine. And then you're going to give me what's called the media. What did we make it with? Well, we made it with Sharpie markers, and we used some pencil for some values. All right. And then I'm going to give what the size is, so that when people look at it, they can kind of get an idea of the approximate size of the design that we've created. This one is 9 by 12 inches. So that means you might have to get out your ruler and measure it. All right. Once you're all done, all right, it is set and it is there. And that way we can go back to our Visual Art Studio folder, and here we have our first entry. Okay. Up here you have the capability of editing what the portfolio's icon or image is. You can just set it for a basic color, or you can upload an image. So I'm going to upload an image here. I took some close-ups of my design, and I might kind of zoom in on it here, but this is a zoom feature here, so I can get in closer, get a little closer. I can move it over here. So see how I can kind of get in there and create some interesting close-up and say, sure, that'll be my portfolio icon. And then I come back to here, and now I can kind of see what I've got as far as a zoomed in icon for my portfolio. So I can keep adding to this. One of the benefits of having the portfolio is as you go through school here, as long as you have your Schoology account, which we're all using all 4 years, you can keep adding to your portfolio. Maybe you like writing and you want to add things to a writing portfolio, or maybe creative writing, or maybe you've got something where you have music class or digital music. Maybe you have ceramics ceramics, whatever it is that you enjoy, you might be able to add it here as a brand new portfolio, and it will stay for you for the whole time that you have accounts through Schoology. The benefit to this is, say you're a junior or a senior and you want to get into school and they're asking to see some samples of your work, you can share your portfolio and it will give you a link to have people share it. You can download it or export it as a zip file so you can have it forever on whatever device you want to have it on to share it at a later date. And then you can delete the portfolio. So you've got some nice options to be able to take this with you, to leave with it, or to share if you need to with colleges and other needy occupants.